Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into two powerhouse supplements from BioSteel that can really help you level up your nutrition game: the BioSteel 100% Whey Protein Powder in Chocolate and the BioSteel Sport Greens Powder in Pomegranate Berry. Let's start with the BioSteel 100% Whey Protein Powder. This one is perfect for anyone looking to build lean muscle, support recovery, or just add some extra protein to their diet. Each serving is packed with 24 grams of high-quality protein. It's low in sugar and it mixes super smoothly, no chalky texture. Plus, the chocolate flavor actually tastes like a treat, which makes hitting your protein goals way easier. Now let's talk about the BioSteel Sport Greens Powder in Pomegranate Berry. This is your daily dose of greens made simple. It's loaded with nutrient-rich superfoods, helps support overall health, energy, and digestion, and gives you antioxidants to fight off stress and fatigue. And here's the best part: the pomegranate berry flavor is refreshing, not grassy like a lot of greens powders out there. What I love to do is use the whey protein right after my workout, and then sip on the sport greens earlier in the day to cover my nutritional bases. Together, they make a pretty awesome duo for recovery, energy, and overall wellness. So if you're serious about your fitness, recovery, and health, I definitely recommend checking out the BioSteel 100% Whey Protein Powder and the Sport Greens Powder. Two simple additions that can make a big difference in your routine. I'll drop the links below so you can check them out for yourself.